Well, hello, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I want to say thank you all for watching, commenting, subscribing, and being part of Jobu's day job. I am a man of many, many different things. I love to cook. Of course, I love the Dallas Cowboys. I do woodworking. I have rental properties and things like that. And my wife is actually now, we've got her a silhouette cutting machine for doing vinyl T-shirts and stuff. And so her office has been kind of turned into the craft area and stuff in here. And I am one of those people that, my wife says that I am the best person for using every bit of space that's possible.
Spatial.
I'm very spatial. I think she was really meaning I'm very spacey. But what I ended up doing is actually, this was a piece that I originally built for her for her office here, which has, a regular drawer and stuff in it. And then it has the pull-out piece. And lo and behold, it must have been like, the gods talking to me. Because when we ended up getting our silhouette cameo, it fits on this perfect. But my wife was using this as a stand for all her plants. And originally we had made like a piece that sat on top of the desk here, which worked, but it kind of closed it off. And she needs to be able to pull this out because the machine has the paper go in and out. So I got the bright idea today to make floating shelves, so to speak. They're actually not really floating shelves. I ended up actually getting black iron brackets to go here on the wall, and I put them on each side of the window. Now here's a great thing. When you frame out a doorway or a window, you always have a double stud. So the good thing is there's actually a 2x4 stud right there. So when I got these nice heavyweight black iron brackets there, at your home center, about $9 a piece and stuff. They actually match up well with the little shelves and the frames that are up in there. And I just took a 1x8 piece of wood right here. I just put a little piece here on the end here just to make it like a stop. And we've got one screw in here that we can take out if we want to open up the windows to go ahead and, clean them out because they tilt in. You can easily take it off. But the look for this is actually very, very streamlined. And with this time of year when it's getting cold outside, we have a bunch of hibiscus plants and spices and stuff like that. This is a great way that if you have those spices and things on your deck, or if you just want to get some for the winter, that you can put them in really nice around the windows. So you don't necessarily have to have a big space to have a garden. You can do something very, very simple like this. Now, these are clear pine boards. These are a little bit more expensive. I think this 8-foot board was about 28, but you could get a knotty pine one for about 15. So very, very easily, economically, you could have a garden in the wintertime in your window. And when you see the greenery in there, doesn't that look pretty? Doesn't that look good? So, oh, that's too much light. I think it was better there because you got the other light and stuff there. So this is a great way to maximize your space. And also, here's the other thing about the plants too. They help clean the air too. I'm Mark Holmes, and here's a nice little green living tip. I'll see you soon.